So, here's the big question. Can a 6-pound resistance band system actually replace your gym? Or is the GorillaBow Travel Resistance Gym just another Instagram fitness gadget? I've spent time digging into expert reviews, real user feedback, and the actual specs behind this thing, and honestly, I came away more impressed than I expected. But there are also a few things GorillaBow doesn't exactly highlight in the ads, especially if you're someone who lifts heavy or expects traditional gym-style resistance. GorillaBow Travel Resistance Gym Product Overview. The GorillaBow Travel Resistance Gym is basically a portable full-body workout system built around a collapsible aluminum bow and heavy-duty resistance bands. It's made by Bow, a company that's been pushing the idea of replacing bulky gym equipment with resistance-based training. The travel version is specifically designed for people who move around a lot: travelers, apartment dwellers, busy professionals, or honestly, anyone tired of paying for a gym membership they barely use. The big selling point is portability. The bow breaks into 3 21-inch pieces, weighs just under 6 pounds, and fits into a backpack or carry-on. But unlike cheap resistance band kits on Amazon, this thing is built with aircraft-grade aluminum and can reportedly handle up to 350 pounds of tension. GorillaBow Travel Resistance Gym Performance. The biggest thing the GorillaBow gets right is that it feels more structured than normal resistance bands. The bow gives you a stable frame, so exercises like rows, curls, presses, deadlifts, and squats feel way more controlled compared to just standing on loose bands. And that matters, because with regular resistance bands, workouts can feel awkward fast. But the GorillaBow creates something closer to barbell mechanics. Expert reviewers over at JIT specifically pointed out how the system mimics traditional lifts while still giving you continuous band tension. And that continuous tension is no joke. Unlike free weights where resistance changes with gravity, the bands constantly fight you through the movement. That means shoulder presses and rows especially can absolutely smoke your muscles. Now, here's the thing though, it's not perfect. If you're an experienced powerlifter expecting the exact feel of heavy barbells, this isn't that. Chest exercises can feel a little awkward depending on your setup, and some movements require creativity. Real-world Reddit users also mentioned that exercises like chest presses and tricep work aren't quite as natural as squats or shoulder work. Features and tech. First up, the collapsible design. This is honestly the killer feature. The bow breaks into 3 pieces with stainless steel push-button locks, so setup takes maybe 20 seconds. And because it fits in a carry-on, you can literally train in a hotel room without hunting for a gym. Second, the resistance range. Depending on the bundle, you can stack multiple bands together for seriously heavy resistance. GorillaBow claims up to 350 pounds on the travel system, and some larger bundles go even beyond that. Third, joint-friendly training. This is actually underrated. Resistance bands create smoother tension curves, which many users find easier on shoulders, elbows, and knees compared to traditional heavy lifting. If you've got nagging joint pain but still want resistance training, that's a real advantage. And finally, the included workout ecosystem. Design and build. Aesthetically, GorillaBow nailed the rugged minimalist vibe. The bow itself is made from aircraft-grade aluminum, and it genuinely feels durable, not flimsy or toy-like. The push-button locking system clicks together securely, and that's important because you do not want flex or looseness when bands are under heavy tension. That said, at around 6 pounds, it's not ultralight. You'll notice it in a backpack. But considering this thing replaces an entire rack of equipment, that trade-off feels reasonable. Pros. Surprisingly effective for full-body workouts. Feels more stable than traditional resistance bands. Premium build quality with solid aluminum construction. Cons. Some exercises feel less natural than free weights. Subscription complaints and customer service issues showed up in user discussions. Final verdict. Look, if you travel constantly, live in a small apartment, hate crowded gyms, or just want a convenient way to stay consistent with workouts, the GorillaBow Travel Resistance Gym makes a ton of sense. It's portable, durable, effective, and honestly, more versatile than I expected. Now, if you're a hardcore bodybuilder chasing massive PRs on bench press and squat, you'll probably still want traditional weights. Resistance training just feels different. But for the average person trying to build strength, stay lean, improve mobility, and actually work out consistently, this thing hits a really sweet spot.